Do you feel weak when you shower? Do you feel powerless? Well, today we can change that. All you need is Dr. Squatch. Please sponsor me. So, I gotta confess. Not really confess, but I gotta tell you. I've begun to like Dr. Squatch a lot. Men's Natural Soap, Fresh Falls, the scent of this specific bar. It is pretty fresh, let me tell you. It's made with Alaskan Glacier mineral clay, and it's 0 grit. Dr. Squatch bars, they have like levels of grit. They have like heavy, I think medium, and then this is like a 0 grit. So, I love Dr. Squatch. Please sponsor me. Because I love smelling like a man. They don't just have soap, let me tell you. They have hair products, they have deodorant, and they have beard care products and stuff like that. They have a whole lot of stuff. So, today, I got a knife. And there's a reason for that. We have Dr. Squatch. I got some of this stuff on sale. It's like a bundle that was on sale. So, what do we got? We have 6 soaps in here. We got another Fresh Falls. Oh, we have Pine Tar. We have 3 of these bad boys. So I've used these 2 soaps, Fresh Falls and Pine Tar, before. They smell so good, man. We also have Birchwood Breeze. I'm pretty sure I had this. I don't remember. But this one's a medium grit, and the Pine Tar is a heavy grit. And the Pine Tar is made with oatmeal and sand. The Birchwood Breeze is made with birch bark and pumice? I can't. Pumice. This has like a sweet smell to it. The Birchwood Breeze, I like it. All right. And probably my favorite of what I've tried so far, medium grit. It's made from Jimmy red corn and sand wood barrel bourbon. Oh. I feel manly already. Whoo. So I didn't only just get soap in this. It's a bundle. It came with an official Dr. Squatch soap holder. It smells like wood. I also got some deodorant. I've got Pine Tar deodorant and Fresh Falls knife. I feel so manly. I got my knife. I've got my Dr. Squatch. Ugh. Oh, that's real piney, man. Woo! What really interested me in Dr. Squatch was because it's natural, it's non-synthetic, like a lot of soaps we use today. Natural. It makes me feel good. It feels great on my skin. I love it. Please sponsor me. But I also wanted to try the deodorant. I stink really bad if I don't wear deodorant. So I've been using like Degree right here. It works, but it leaves my armpits like sticky almost after I wash. Even if I scrub real hard, I feel sticky and I hate it. So I've wanted to try this to see if it works because it's aluminum free. And when you use deodorant with aluminum in it, it like leaves that aluminum on you, and that's not good. Plus, deodorant with aluminum in it is not good, especially if you have like bad kidneys, I think, because my brother, he has polycystic kidney disease, and it's not good for him to use deodorant with aluminum in it. And I like this, how it's a circle instead of like a stick. So, natural odor squatching system. It has charcoal for odor protection, arrowroot for moisture absorption, and probiotics to restore balance. See? They're trying to make you better. They're trying to make you smell good and keep the scent away. They're also trying to keep it healthy and non-harming to your body. So I'm going to go shower, since I need to shower, and I will tell you how I feel and how I smell.
2,000 years later.
So I'm back. I feel clean. I feel fresh. I feel like a man. I feel manly. Now we've got to use the deodorant. Smells sweet. Get in there. I don't know. I smell good. Look at that. Look at that. I'm a man. Woo! I am a man. I like it. It has a sweet smell to it for some reason. That's awesome. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please go support Dr. Squatch. Great hygiene. Thank you for watching this video, and always remember, you're not a dish. You're a man.